Hey, Braze users, I'm Jessica, and welcome back to another Braze Bites episode. Today, we're going to be talking about personalized delays, a powerful feature that helps you send messages at exactly the right time for each of your customers. Let's get started. As marketers, we know timing can make or break a campaign, but with standard delays in Braze, every user follows that same schedule, whether that means waiting 3 days after a sign up or sending on a fixed date. The problem here is that not every customer is on that same timeline. So when everyone gets messages at the same time, some of them might receive them too early, others too late, and your messages risk missing the moment entirely. If you want more insights like this, make sure to like and subscribe. That's where personalized delays come in. Instead of setting up one static delay, you can base message timing on each user's own data, like their renewal date, last purchase, or trial end. You can even apply an offset, like sending messages 3 days before a user's renewal date. It's personalization, not just in what you say, but when you say it. And the results? Better timed, more relevant messages that feel tailor made for each of your customers. Let's say you run a subscription-based service. You want to remind customers a few days before their renewal, but every customer's renewal date is different. With personalized delays, this can be possible. You can connect your campaigns to each user's renewal date and automatically send reminders 3 days before the renewal, not everyone else's. This keeps your messages relevant and prevents users from receiving reminders that don't apply to them yet. So let's demonstrate how to do this in Braze. In Braze, let's display the delay step in Canvas. And then we're going to toggle on the personalized delay feature. You can personalize the delay step after a duration or until a specific calendar date, but you can't add a specific day of the week. So keep that in mind as you're building your use cases. For this example, we're going to use a context variable. For the purpose of this video, I won't go into detail on what a context step is or variable is, but if you want a deeper dive, check out my colleague Lacia's video that explains how it works. Essentially, context variables are replacing Canvas entry properties. So for this case, we'll need to create a context step first. Here, you're going to define your variable. So we're going to call it renewal date. And then we're going to map it to the user subscription date stored as a custom attribute, subscription renewal date. Then we're going to add the delay step, and then we're going to use a personalized delay here. We're going to select that context variable, and we're going to apply an offset. So for this example, it's going to be 3 days before the renewal. This will use the renewal date context variable and send it based on the calendar date. Here are some pro tips for you when it comes to time zones. When you select the Add a Specific Time option, keep in mind how time zone works. If your attribute includes time zone information, Braze will use that. If not, Braze uses your fallback time zone. And if it's stored as a time data type, it references UTC. To keep everything accurate, always include time zone information in your data whenever possible. With personalized delays, you can deliver messages exactly when they matter, whether it's renewals, trials, or appointments. It's a simple but powerful way to make your messages more personal and more effective. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, or visit us at covalentmarketing.com for more Braze content like this. Thanks for watching.